you know how long it takes to sort through 3,000 cards? It's like digging through a bucket of Legos to find that one little glowy orange piece at the bottom.
Hey, what'd I miss?
Joyce? What the hell are you doing here? Where's Brad?
Oh, he had to go into work early, so I'm here to take his place.
Oh, Brad! I am so screwed.
Excuse me, it's not like I've never played. I've beaten you plenty of times. Jim.
I know. I hear them.
They're at the door.
Sich! Sin dort! Open door! Ihr schlecht!
Some people hear the sound and they think gross. However, some of us think a little more deeply. We hear and we say, how does happen? What is made of?